Optimization. Optimization is the process of finding the maximum and minimum values given constraints using calculus. For example, you're given a situation where you ask to find the maximum profit, the minimum travel time, or the possibly the least closely enclosure. Example. Example here, you will have a cone, the cylinder inside, and it has a given value. The volume of your cone is pi r squared h, and you have your maximum height of 10 from the cone, and you will substitute it from the given formula. Equals b equals pi r squared times the value of your h, which is 10, and the value and the height of your cylinder is 5r over 3. Then b is equal to 10 pi r squared minus 5 over 3 pi r cubed. Your dB over dr is equal to 20 pi r minus 5r r squared. Then you will equate it to 0. 0 equals 20 pi r minus 5r squared is equal to 4 minus r. Your r here is 4. Then you will copy your dB over dr, which is 20 pi r minus 5 pi r squared. Then you will equate it to r, which is b equals to 20 pi minus 10 pi r equals b minus 25 minus 10 pi, and the value of your r is 4. Then you will get that b is equal to negative 20. Then here lately you have your value of your height. Then you will substitute the 4 here. 10 minus 5r over 3 is equal to h. 10 minus 5 times 4 over 3 is equal to h. The value here is 3.33 inch.